complaining to Allah is different than complaining about Allah. Here's the difference. Complaining about Allah is, why me? It's not fair. How could you do this to me? Anger, resentment, lack of acceptance. That's a contradiction to sabr. And we have to avoid this type of response. If we have responded in this way, we have to fix it. There's always hope, by the way. I don't want anyone ever leaving this room thinking there's no hope. Oh, I messed up. You know what? I don't have patience. I'll just, I give up. No. There's always hope so long as you're alive to fix it. You're here, you're hearing it now, and you can fix it. You can ask Allah to help you to be patient. There are things that happened in your life, and at the time, you wished it would stop. You wished it hadn't happened. But after time, if you go back and you look, you can say thank you to the doctor. أقول قولي هذا واستغفر الله لي ولكم إنه غفور رحيم سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.